Hi guys, this is Google Pixel XL smartphone. As we know, it is a 5.5-inch AMOLED LED 4th generation Corning Gorilla Glass. 534 ppi display. Resolution is 2560 pixels by 1440 pixels. Its CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 821 Quadcore 2.15 GHz. Its front is glass, and here AMOLED body. AMOLED body here, AMOLED body, and particle glass back cover. This is glass cover. AMOLED. It is 4 GB RAM, 32 GB long, or 128 GB long. Its operating system is Google Android 9.0 operating system, and it supports OTA update. It has two cameras. Front camera is 8 megapixel, f2.4 pixel. Rear camera is 12.3 megapixel, f2.0 pixel. Its battery built-in is 3450 mAh battery built-in. It supports fast charging, and also it supports GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, NFC, USB Type-C 3.0, Bluetooth 4.2, fingerprint, barometer, compass, sensor, and it has 3 colors to choose: black color, silver color, and blue color. This is black color. Let's go into review it. Very colorful display. 4th generation Corning Gorilla Glass. Let's try its camera. 12.3 megapixel camera with autofocus. Its CPU, Qualcomm Snapdragon 821 Quadcore 2.15 GHz, and 4 GB RAM, 128 GB long. This model, and Pixel XL, and its operating system is Google Android 9.0 battery, and here all the sensors it supports. Its camera, front camera is 8 megapixel, rear camera is 12 megapixel. Here are all the N22 benchmark. Operating system. Here are all the language menus it supports. We are the official distributor. We are wholesaler of Google Pixel XL smartphone. Here SIM card slot is support only one nano SIM card. It doesn't support micro SD card headphone jack. Say lows. 5.5 inch. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. Here's the color box. One piece is Type C, both are Type C. Here Type C, here Type C. Type C USB cable. Type C charger. Type C charger. Connect with Type C directly. And here's common USB cable. Type C USB cable. For our Europe client, we will send 1 pieces Europe converted together free. One piece eject pin. Here are the menu. That's all. Thank you for your watching. If you want to buy this phone, you can place us the order directly, and we support MOQ 1 pieces order. Also, if you want to make business of the Google Pixel XL, you can contact with us. And please follow us in Facebook pages, in Instagram pages, WeChat and WhatsApp. Please subscribe to our YouTube channels.